Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
The West Indies started their T20 series against Bangladesh on a positive note as they defeated the hosts by 16 runs in Chattogram on Monday. Batting first, the West Indies put up a respectable 165 for 3 from their 20 overs. Captain Shehu led from the front, top scoring with 46 from 28 deliveries, which included 1 4 and 4 sixes. He shared in an 83-run fourth-wicket partnership with Jamaican Rovman Powell. Powell made 44 from 28 balls. Another Jamaican, Brandon King, made 33. Taskin Ahmed took 2 for 36 for Bangladesh. Rishad Hussain took the other wicket. In reply, the hosts lost the wickets at regular intervals as at one point they were 77 for 6. Tazim Saqib with 33 put up the most resistance as Bangladesh reached 149 all out. Jason Holder and Jaden Seals ripped through the Bangladeshi batting lineup as both bowlers claimed 3 wickets each. Akil Hussain also got 2 wickets. The second game is scheduled for Wednesday.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.